Hey team, Tim Thomas here. In this video, I've got a good one for you today. Make sure you turn your speakers up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Great things are happening. Money Blocks is a rocket ship for 25 and beyond. We're going to get into it in this video. Stay tuned, turn your speakers up. I'm going to roll the intro, and I'll talk about it on the other side. Tim Thomas here. Welcome to the video. Before I get started, folks, make sure you walk around the video and check out some of the things we've got going on. We've got some phenomenal opportunities going on, and I'm telling you, it's like a Walmart. When you go to Walmart, folks, you shop, and it is a one-stop shop, and people can browse and get what they want. Folks, I tell you what, we've got residual programs, trading programs, money blocks, American Bill money. And folks, postcard programs are absolutely life-changing. So we're excited about Send Academy. All these programs are rocking. I'm telling you, every millionaire has several streams of income. And when you get that right, folks, when you get that right, money will flow out of everywhere. Now, as an income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action and do a lot of it. That looks like Timothy Thomas. We're going to talk about the Money Blocks flyer. But before I jump into Money Blocks, look at what I got, folks. Major announcement for Supreme Profit System. The admin just sent this in 6 hours ago from me recording this video. We got an email from the admin of Supreme Profit System. Coming back better than ever. Folks, the program coming back better than ever. It never went away. This thing is continuing to pump out the payments. I've got a $1,500 payment on the way. Folks, that's what happens when you're marketing several things at one time when you get good at it. Now, the Supreme Profit System, folks, has got a refreshed website with great new graphics. We've got testimonials. This thing is continuing to rock and roll. It will be a force in 2025. And what they are doing, they're doing more updates. Look at this beautiful website we've got here. And this is not a video about Supreme Profit. We'll talk about it in another video. They're getting ready to redo this whole video right here. It's already converting. They're going to make it even higher converting. So, guys, stay tuned for Supreme Profits. I'll bring that to you in another video. Let's talk today about moneyblocksgift.com. This program is going to be absolutely epic. And I'm telling you, I am showing people how to manifest money. And I'm talking about large amounts of money. And then allow money to work for you. Folks, that's why I am able to use programs like the Supreme Profit, the Money Block Gifts, the Crazy Cash Flyer. A 450 sale just came in the other day. And you know, for the time of proof, I just hadn't had a chance to put up a proof video. Another 450 came in. People are joining American Bill money on a daily basis. Folks, putting it in front of people will change your life, and it would change it for the better. Money Block Gifts opportunity. If you can mail this flyer, you can collect all of these payments in the amounts of $50, $100, $500, $2,500 or more in the blocks. We're going to talk about how this thing works. We're going to play the recorded messages. Please stick with me. I'm showing you how you can begin to mail this flyer and start on a monthly basis, picking up $2,000 or $3,000, $4,000 a month. If you get good at it, you can do that in a week. It is possible. And that's why we're putting money to work. We're not working for money. And there's nothing wrong with a job. But, folks, when you learn leverage, when you learn teamwork, this flyer, when you get on this flyer with other team members, folks, I'm telling you, it becomes life-changing. And let me tell you about the Money Block Gifts flyer. Folks, this thing is going to be epic for 25 and beyond because you're going to get on this flyer with other people. And the power of teamwork and leverage. Jose Green talks about it, a duplicatable system to where, look at this, we're all working together in a group. You could be literally on thousands and thousands of flyers that you did not mail, and folks are still joining with you. Do you see the power of this system? Folks, this is going to be epic. You are going to be on thousands of flyers, your name. All you do, you can pick as many blocks as you want, a one-time $149 admin fee, and any block that you want, and you can win. Folks, this is exciting times. If you're watching this video, if you requested this flyer 4 or 5 days ago and you did not overnight it to Greg, our admin, folks, you are wasting time if you have not done it yet. Folks, it is just that serious. Just that serious. Action takers get rewarded. Action takers get to live life on their terms. Action takers get to go where they want to go, do what they want to do, stay as long as they want to stay without ever asking to a boss. And I tell people all the time, don't get distracted. Folks, when even with money blocks, even my audience, even on YouTube, I tell people, one day I'll talk about this program, and then another day I'll talk about another program. But money blocks give, folks, if I don't talk about it tomorrow, if I don't talk about it in the next week or two, you need to get this flyer because it's life-changing, and it's simple, and it's going to take up a lot of money for a lot of people. Of course, your disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action. Let's look how this thing works. Let's look how powerful it is. OurMoneyBlockGifts.com flyer. Make sure you go to that website. Get on the email list. You can receive the updates from Greg as needed. The MoneyBlockGifts.com program is similar to a lottery scratch off ticket, except the odds of winning are much higher. The Money Block Gifts flyer is a program that these gifts are tax-free according to the IRS code, the tax gift code. The law states an individual can receive up a gift of $18,000 per year from an individual without tax liability given to the giver or the receiver of the gift. Each individual member that joins our program will be sent the maximum of $7,150 in cash gifts per year to the individual. This is well within the law. This is how our Money Block Gifts program works. On the right-hand side, there are 10 money blocks. Simply click the money blocks that you want to purchase. Are you all picking up what I'm putting down? Are you listening? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Once you have finished choosing the money blocks that you want to purchase, you fill out the information in the enrollment form. Listen to the 24/7 recorded message. We're going to listen to it right now. Listen to it. There will be a one-time admin fee. You're going to make it payable to CREC. This admin fee will cover ongoing monitoring costs, 1,000 flyers to start. Folks, these are beautiful flyers. Make one money order, purchase the block from the same person. When you purchase the block from the same person, simply make the money order. You count out the blocks. Like say you're going to join Jose Green and several of his blocks. You make one money order, add them up, and make it to the same person. Now, folks, there's my information. You want to call and talk to me. The enrollment form is super simple. A one-page flyer. You can join block 1 for $50, 2 for $100, 3 for $150, 4 for $250, 5, number 5 for $350, number 6 for $500, number 7 for $750, number 8 for $1,000, number 9 for $1,500, and number 10 for $2,500. Let me tell you what, 2025 is going to be the new beginning of a lot of people's lives financially. You can speak it into existence. Call those things that be not so as though they already were. You can manifest wealth. You can call it. The universe will bend to your will and cause unlimited amounts of money. And money is a tool, it's a resource. It doesn't buy happiness, but it sure can make the down payment. Money, they said it may not buy happiness, but it solves all the problems that not having money causes. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Folks, I am excited. Let's listen quickly. I'm almost done. Hang in there with me for a few minutes. Folks, your financial future. If you're listening to this video, I want you to listen to it 3 or 4 or 5 times. Get motivated. Send this in. I am giving a clarion call that you need to take action today. And if it's not coming, I'm telling you, if you requested this flyer 10 days ago and you have not made a move yet, folks, you are forfeiting your opportunity for unlimited blessings. Let me stop and let me play this. Hang on tight. I'm excited.
Imagine waking up every morning, going to your mailbox, and pulling out 5, 10, 20, or more envelopes, each containing a $100 money order, or a $500 money order, or even a $2,500 money order inside, made payable to you. And the best part, these money orders are sent to you as gifts. Let me introduce you to our program called MoneyBlocksGift.com. Our MoneyBlocksGift.com program is similar to a scratch-off lottery ticket, except the odds of winning here are a lot higher, but not guaranteed. The money orders gifts that you could receive with our program are tax-free. According to the IRS Cash Gift Tax Code, the law states that any individual can give a cash gift of up to $18,000 per year to another individual without any tax liability to the giver or receiver of the gift. Since each individual member that joins our program will be sending the maximum amount of only $7,150 in cash gifts per year to another individual, we are well within this law. Now think how great it would be to know that thousands of dollars could be filling your mailbox like an ATM machine each week. Our highly responsive direct mail flyer is the core of our powerful marketing system that can be duplicated by anyone. Just mail our flyer to hot and eager prospects who are looking to generate some serious cash from home. That's it. How the MoneyBlocksGift.com program works. MoneyBlocksGift.com costs just $149 to get started. This $149 admin fee will cover ongoing monitoring and the cost of 1,000 flyers for you to start. Yes, you heard that correctly. You will receive 1,000 flyers to start. Take a look at the flyer that you have received. As you can see on the right-hand side, there are 10 money blocks. Simply pick the money blocks that you want to purchase from each of the members. Don't worry, the money blocks that you do not purchase, you'll be able to purchase anytime at a later date. Make your U.S. Postal money orders payable to the member of the money blocks that you have chosen to purchase from. Now, fill in the information needed on the enrollment form and mail along with your money orders to the admin. The admin will forward the money orders to the members. This will eliminate any cheating within the program. Within 7 to 10 business days, you will receive a welcome packet and your 1,000 flyers to start with your name and ID number personalized in the money blocks that you have chosen to purchase. When you begin mailing copies of your flyers to others, every time a prospect purchases any of your money blocks, you will receive the money order of that money block. Here is an example. Let's say that you have personally signed up just 5 new members from the mailing of your flyers. And let's also say that you have money block number 2, number 5, number 6, and number 8 on your flyers. Each of those 5 members decided to purchase your money block number 2, which is $100, your money block number 5, which is $350, and your money block number 6, which is $500, but decided not to purchase your money block number 8, which is $1,000. That's a total of $4,750 that you will receive, and that's just 5 new members that joined the program. Now here's where it gets really exciting. Since those 5 new members didn't purchase your money block number 8, which is the 1,000 money block, when those 5 new members each get their 1,000 flyers to start, your money block number 8 will be on their 1,000 flyers. Instead of personally sponsoring just 5 new members, imagine how much more you could receive if you have personally sponsored 10, 20 or more members, with each of them having 2 or 3 of your money blocks on each of their 1,000 flyers. The possibilities are unlimited of how many money orders you could receive on a weekly basis. When thousands of flyers are being mailed with